Whether you're looking to repair cracks or enhance the longevity of your concrete surfaces, Nexus Pro has got you covered. Hi, I'm Sterling with Arizona Foundation Solutions. In this video, we will go over a concrete sealant product called Nexus Pro, the revolutionary silicon-based sealant designed to cover and seal concrete cracks. We will discuss in detail the following: features, installation process, timeline, costs, and who it's for and not for. Nexus Pro is a silicon-based sealant for joints and cracks specially formulated to provide long-lasting flexibility and to stand up to harsh weather conditions. Unlike traditional polyurethane sealants, Nexus Pro resists UV rays, which means it won't crack, bubble, or dry out. That means a single application can seal the joints and cracks in your concrete driveway, patio, pool deck, or sidewalk for years to come, protecting it from damage caused by soil compaction and washout. Our crews begin by cleaning the work area. This includes clearing away the cracks and joints to ensure a solid, waterproof seal. We then sweep away the debris. After the work area is cleared, we begin the process of applying Nexus Pro to the cracks and joints. Once applied, we take a metal spatula and smooth out the cracks and joints to form a good, waterproof seal. One of the standout benefits of Nexus Pro is its speedy installation timeline. Unlike traditional concrete repairs that can take days to cure, Nexus Pro is ready for use in a matter of hours. This means minimal disruption to your daily routine, whether it's your driveway, patio, or walkway. Nexus Pro is a cost-effective solution compared to extensive concrete replacement. The price varies depending on the size and scope of your project, but the savings in time and labor often outweigh the initial investment. You can expect to invest at a base rate of about $2,000. Nexus Pro is the perfect solution for exterior driveways, patios, and walkways with cracks and joints that homeowners want to seal. While Nexus Pro is versatile and effective, it may not be suitable for concrete with larger than a half-inch crack or structural damage. In such cases, it's best to consult with your foundation repair expert. Nexus Pro can be used inside, but it would be better to use our concrete crack sealant product for an inside job. Nexus Pro works best for outside. Nexus Pro is your go-to silicon-based sealant for sealing and repairing concrete cracks. With its durability, flexibility, and quick installation, it's a game changer for homeowners, commercial property owners, and contractors alike. Don't wait. Experience the benefits of Nexus Pro for yourself. You can contact us at Arizona Foundation Solutions, and you can visit our website to learn more and get you started on your next concrete repair project today. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please hit that like and subscribe button. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll see you again in the next video.